Samsung Good Lock Home Up now available for the Samsung One UI 8.5 version. So if you have a One UI 8.5 version, you can't install the Home Up module on your Samsung device. Like just tap and hold the blank space on the home screen, tap the settings. At the bottom, you can see the more customization. When you tap on it, you can see that this app version is not compatible with the new software version. So if you have a latest Samsung One UI 8.5 version, now you can use the Home Up plugin on your device. So open the Good Lock on your device. Now here you can see the Home Up update is available. Create your own One UI Home Up. What's new? Version 17.5.0.18. Support the One UI 8.5. So now Home Up is available for the official One UI 8.5 version. Added home screen, app icon, widget and large folder settings. Added unify panel for the apps, tasks or people. For the Galaxy Fold, added the cover screen favorites, count adjustment. Added gesture to toggle previous app switching on and off. Added option to exclude specific items from direct sharing in share group. Improve the DIY home layout distortion issue and fix the widget restoration data initialization issue in the backup and restore. So this is the all available latest One UI 8.5 home up update for the Good Lock module on your device. So download and install this latest version. Make sure internet is working to install this. Here you can see the 65.7 MB update for the home up and the Good Lock. So download and install it and let's see what's the new all available features. This new home screen app icon widget and large folder settings for a Unify panel apps task panel. So download and install it and let's see what's new in the latest home up update on the Good Lock module on your Samsung Galaxy devices. So wait until download and install it on your Samsung device. Now installation complete message. Now open the home up on your Samsung device. Create your own One UI home with home up. Just tap on it. And now we can access the home up module on the latest Samsung One UI 8.5. So toggle on the option. Here you can see the different setting home screen, backup and restore, task changer, gesture settings, edge panel. Now let's see what's the new in the latest One UI 8.5 update for the home up module on your Samsung device. Now let's see new in the latest Samsung One UI 8.5 for the home up module. So here first we added home screen app icon, widget and large folder settings. So tap and hold the black space on the home screen. Here you can find the home up module. So tap on it. Now here you can see the app icon and widget settings. So tap on the app icon. Here you can see the app icon settings. So item labels on the home screen. So toggle on it to show the item labels on your home screen. So enable disable it to show or hide the labels on the home screen. So item label on the app screen. So if you want to see, use any application, you can see the app name on the home screen. Also increase or decrease the icon size like this on your device. So easily increase or decrease the icon. So tap on this to show the app icon settings, increase or decrease app icon. So item label on home screen, so item label on app screen like this. So edit icon label on home screen. So go back again, tap and hold the blank space. Tap on the home up, tap on the widgets. Here toggle on the widget setting. So adjust content size. So increase or decrease it. Just toggle on this option. Now increase or decrease the widget size you want. It will only change the content size increase or decrease like this on the device. Also remove the blur effect, enable or disable blur effect in the widget setting. Again you can enable or disable the widget settings for the DIY home screen on your device. Now another settings you can see, edit the unify panel apps task people. If you want to use the edge panel for added gesture to toggle previous app switching on and off. Added options to exclude specific items from direct sharing in share pop-up. Improve the DIY home layout distortion issue. And fix the widget distortion and data initialization issue in the backup and restore setting. So you can see all these changes by tap and hold the blank space on the home screen on your device, or you can go to the Good Lock application on your device. So here you can see remove the label because we change it. So to get back, go to the home up, tap on the app icon. So items labels on a app screen. Now go to the home screen and you can see get back it. So You can easily customize home up module in good lock. Now go to the good lock, open the home up on your device, tap on the home up on your phone, and here you can see the all customization setting, home up, home screen settings, for the app icon settings. Here you can see the all details. Also you can see the widget settings you can apply, or at the bottom you can find the large folder settings. Toggle on the option. Here you can see the custom medium large folder icon grid. You want to set icon size, page scroll, support up to 2 page of scrolling, and remove the blur effect for the large folder if you want to create on your home screen. So you can adjust it on your device. So next one is the DIY home screen. Just tap on it on your device. Just toggle on it on your device. Animated overlapping items when the app launch, or use align guideline on edit mode. Now go to the home screen, and you can easily move one app to another application like this on your Samsung device. You want, just long press it to enlarge it. Now you can easily customize home up on your good luck. So this is the all latest update available for the home up update on your Samsung One UI 8.5 version. So now download and install this One UI 8.5 update for the home up module. That's it. If you like it, share it.